Hi, you guys. We're starting a new week, and this is the week where we start looking at DNA. And so for your lab this week, you will need some extra material. So I've been warning you, but I want to remind you again. You're going to need some strawberries, a Ziploc bag, some coffee filters, because you're going to be extracting DNA from a couple of strawberries. So please have those materials. You have to also generate the 3D model out of very lightweight cardboard. So cardstock is the best thing to do that with. And you have directions on how to do that, but you need the cardstock and you need to be able to print on it. So that's why last week we didn't have a lab, and I was trying to warn you, please use that time both to study for the exam, which is today, and a lot of you have submitted. Some of you will be finishing at midnight. And the other time should have been allocated to getting some of these materials so that you're all set for this week's lab. It's pretty cool, but it just needed these extra materials. I don't think I have anything else. I'm going to start looking at also some discussions on things like bringing back the passenger pigeon, which is always fun to look at. You know, should we bring back some of these extinct animals? So that always creates a really good discussion. Other than that, I think you're doing great. I'm looking at the schedule right now to see if there's anything else I need to remember. This week, no, we're just moving along. We're moving along 2 chapters, but it doesn't mean we're doing the entire 2 chapters. I just sort of picked from here and from that because they are both covering both DNA, and then one of them is covering mitosis. So hang in there. I think we're doing well. I hope you do really well with the exam. Once it's finished, I'll give you a mean and tell you what the mean was for the class. So I'm rooting for you. Take care, guys.